Hello, I'm Dr. Zitulele Chabalal, Senior Lecturer in Human Anatomy at the Nelson Mandela University's new medical school that opened its doors this year. I am usually in my element in the anatomy lab, but today I will be your tour guide around our new medical school. This is where our first 50 students, drawn from all over South Africa, are learning how to change the world. They've pledged an oath to put themselves in service of society by always putting people first. Our medical school doesn't just train doctors. We've partnered with government, business, and local residents to fight the critical health and lifestyle challenges facing our most impoverished and underserved communities in South Africa. The medical school is a dream come true. That dream started many years ago. Finally, in 2021, that dream has taken flight. People may ask, why did Mandela University choose Mission Vale campus for medical school? We have 6 campuses in Gaibeh and 1 in George, but this one was the perfect fit. Why? Because this medical school's foundation is a primary healthcare approach with community-oriented training at the heart of all we do.
I'm Dr. Yoshna Kuvaji, the coordinator for Theory and Practice of Medicine. Our module equips students to become ethical, community-oriented doctors who are able to communicate effectively to meet the needs of patients in our communities.
I'm Mari Williams, the Community Platform Coordinator. Our students visit clinics, NGOs, and families from their first year at the medical school. This enables them to put theory into practice in the community setting.
Welcome to the Anatomy Lab. In here is where we conduct our practicals for our medical students. We teach our medical students using wonderful pieces of technology called our Anatomage tables. These tables allow our students to have a fully 3D interactive experience of learning anatomy. The medical field is increasingly using digital technology, as many fields have seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. And this means working closely with our information technology and communication colleagues in equipping the medical school with the most high-tech equipment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Simo Zulu, a senior lecturer for human physiology. Now you're about to enter the Human Physiology Lab, where each workstation has a BioPack machine. The students use BioPack machine to run tests on each other. They record the data received from the heart, the muscle, the brain, and the respiratory system.
I am Dr. Savanya Nagia, and I am the Senior Lecturer in Medical Biochemistry here at the Nelson Mandela University Medical School. We have big plans for future research on combating disease. Our human biology wet lab is equipped with basic chemistry equipment, advanced microscopes, as well as a fully kitted cell culture facility, needed for our students to complete their biochemistry, cell biology, and physics practicals.
Does it look like you just walked into a real hospital? Good, that is our aim. This is the Clinical Skills Laboratory. It has been equipped and set up like a real hospital. The simulation room has realistic mannequins on which students can practice medical tasks, such as putting up an intravenous line, suturing, and performing CPR. They are also designed so that their vital signs change depending on how well a student performs CPR. Nelson Mandela University is committed to working towards a democratic healthcare system where inclusivity and equitable health is a sustainable goal. Above all, we inspire to changing lives and making healthcare accessible and visible to those who need it most. Nelson Mandela famously said, "Health cannot be a question of income. It is a fundamental human right. So thank you for joining me as we showcased our new medical school at the Nelson Mandela University. We hope that this generation of medical doctors will walk out of our campus proudly and help to change the world. Thank you very much. I have been your host, Dr. Zitulele Chavalal.